Well, we're going down here to try to catch some more, guys. There's some people already down here, so maybe somebody's catching something. That's a good sign, maybe. If they are. We'll see what we can do. Any luck? No? No bites yet? Oh, okay. Maybe they'll bite. It's sunny, I like that. Getting anything to bite yet?
No. I just tried to switch over to a crankbait just to try it, just because all that shad was in here, but
They wanting real slow then.
crappie fish, I didn't get it back. I'm gonna switch back over to it.
There it goes. A little bitty one. Later. A couple of them ones I caught had some pretty good egg sacs in them. Yeah. Oh, there you go. That might be a decent one. A good little fighter. Yeah, he's probably pretty good. Yeah, he's over 10. Put him on a stringer. This is a good one. A real good one. Real good chunky one. He's 11.5. That's a pretty crappie. We'll take him. Another good fighter. There we go. Ha, that's a good one. Easy there, buddy. Yeah, that is a good one. We have to measure him. He's probably close to 12. Oh yeah, real close to 12. Nice solid crappie. Good belly on them. They're getting egg sacs in them already. We'll take them. Little guy. Later. That's another good one, guys. There he is. Easy. Oh yeah, good 12-incher. Nice. See that fat belly? Yep, they're getting egg sacs on them. That's a good one. We'll take it. They're wanting it really slow. Oh. That's a pretty good one. We'll take him.
Probably twice as wide as this, maybe not that. But when they're in there, that's just like everywhere.
Right. Yep. Right. Another keeper. We'll take him. But he don't got live scope or nothing. He just got a sonar, and we're gonna try to go to them lakes in Mississippi, the Sardis, and there's, let's say he said Sardis and Eden, and a couple other ones that's known for great big crappie. And he goes down. Yeah, I heard that. But he another little crappie. Later. Oh yeah. Well guys, that's what we ended up with today. Not too bad for less, you know, a little about an hour.